future of law, honestly, it really is about innovation. Your clients are much more savvy than they used to be. They're being faced with a lot of questions around blockchain, whether it be through ICOs or there's a lot of hype in and around the space. So I think there's two specific impacts. I think the practice of law is being impacted by client engagement, but more importantly, I think that the business of law ultimately is really where we're focused on, and we really feel like there's impact to be had using the blockchain technology. Right now, we're very focused on data integrity. We feel like with all the hype around smart contracting, we don't even feel like you can even get to a really good smart contract without first acknowledging the fact that we have no data integrity, and the smart contracts are only as good as the data being put into them. So to that extent, we're focusing on bringing immutability, trust to the world's legal data. And it's actually not very hard to do. Right now, 9 out of 10 attorneys are still doing business through unencrypted email. That's very scary when you think about the fact that they're sending a lot of proprietary knowledge just out into the open. And with the hacks, with Sony the Sony Corporation, with Facebook, kind of poses a really big problem as an attorney. You're really opening yourself up. It costs a lot of money to have compromised data. Roughly $3.1 trillion is what IBM is estimating as far as cost for data breaches, and that's a high cost. So to the extent that we can if we only focused on bringing integrity to the legal world's data, that's a huge cost implication that you can take a dent at. So that's really kind of been our focus from Integra. The Global Legal Blockchain Consortium is really about setting the standards in which govern the blockchain associations. It's bringing together stakeholders like the Whiten cases, Latham and Watkins, the Wachtels, the large corporations, bringing them in together, getting everybody around the table and saying, hey, this is happening. What are we going to do about it? Who's going to set the standards? Who's going to create policy? What does the tech look like? And just sort of setting that governing standards basis for us.